Non, nous là, tout va poser là, nous allons chercher quelques autres personnes pour nous interviewer, ça, on nous fait ça. Yo, ça qu'a fait de base. Yo, faut te excusez-moi. T'es non? Yo, voilà ça qu'a fait. Yo, pas mal ici m'interview, man.
I'm half.
Oh,
I don't understand, so
Okay.
I know what it means. So I can't say.
Ok, bye. Attendez. Bon, bah là, puis bon, Kounia, attendez. Kounia, nous allons interview un Haïtien qui fait ici, Kounia, vous comprenez? Même si les cas par contre toute bagarre, at least nous allons demander quelques questions. I'm sorry, man, but I know you was born here, it's all good, you know, you're still Haitian,
Yeah, my
whatever.
dad.
Of course.
My dad is a full Haitian, and my mom is American.
Word.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
That's all I can say.
Do you even speak Creole at all? Ou parle Creole, man?
No, I only know little words like Veni, Sakpase, and a couple of swears, but
Bon, attendez. It's all good. But how do you feel, man? How do you feel? Are you enjoying yourself? Or
yeah, it's fun here.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's what's up. You here with the family or
No, I'm by myself.
you by yourself? That's what's up. How you feel, man? How you feel about being Haitian, man? Even though you were born here, how you feel about being Haitian American?
It's very cool to be Haitian because it's somewhere else you're born, so I guess so.
Exactly. I mean, have you ever been to Haiti?
No, I'm trying to 10th grade year.
Oh, all right. It's all good. How old are you, man? If you don't mind.
14.
14? Alright, that's what's up, man. Yo, you gotta go down there, man. Go visit. You feel me?
I got a lot of family down there.
Yeah, go see how things are. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, maybe in the future you could go down there help out. You know what I'm saying? But it's a beautiful country. You feel me?
Yeah.
Alright, that's what's up. What's your name?
Elijah.
Elijah. Yo, you don't mind if I use this video on YouTube?
No.
Alright, good looks, man. Alright, thank you, man. Yes. Nous sommes interview là en Haitian American. Tout le monde a célébré, tout le monde fier aux Haïtiens. Même si les Haïtiens qui fait ici, tout le bagage posé. Yes, sir. All right.